In the following figures, tick those which have corners. Children, there are some figures and you have to tick those figures which have corners. Like this figure has also a corner. This figure has also a corner. Again, this has corners and this square also has corners. Do these figures have curved lines? Yes. Only these two figures have curved lines. See this. Using only straight lines, can you draw a figure which has no corners? No. 10 gram. The 10 gram is an old Chinese puzzle. From the pieces of the 10 gram, we can make many shapes of animals, people and things. Student, this is a Chinese puzzle and with the help of these pieces, you can make many shapes. At the back of the book, you will find a square like the one in this figure. Cut it out carefully and cut the pieces. This set of 5 pieces is called the 5 pieces 10 gram. Use these 5 pieces to make the following figures. Children, at the back of this book, you can see this page and here there is a 5 piece 10 gram and 7 piece 10 gram. I cut this 5 piece 10 gram. You can also cut the same 5 pieces 10 gram like this. And this is a 5 piece 10 gram and with the help of these pieces you can make these pictures. How many triangles do you have in your set? See, I have 3 triangles in this set. So answer will be 3 triangles. Are all of them equal in size? Find out. In this set, these number 2 and number 5 are in equal. So there are only 2. 2 and 5 are of same size. Use the 2 small triangles in the 10 gram set to get the following shapes. Children, see, with the help of 2 small triangles, with the help of these triangles, can we make this shape? Let's try. Look at this shape. This is square. With the help of these pieces, we can make this shape. Next one is this shape. With the help of this, see, with the help of these 2 pieces, we can make this a triangle. Clear? And next one is parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, 4 sides. It has 4 sides. And with the help of this, we can make this shape also. See, with the help of these pieces, we can also make this shape. Look at this shape. So in this way, we can make different shapes of animals, people and things. Which 2 pieces of the 10 gram set are exactly same? Find out. These 2 pieces are of same shape. Take pieces 4 and 5 from the set and find out on which side of the triangle you can join the other piece. This is a 4 and 5 pieces. You can make You can join this side of triangle also. One shape is this, or you can join this side also, another shape. These are very small, and you can also join this. It looks like a board, so you can make different shapes. Next one is find matching sides among the following pairs of pieces. Like in these pictures, you can match like pieces 1 and 2. You can match this. You can match this. Pieces 2 and 4. Like this. You can make here this. In the same way, C and D part you can do very easily. The 7 pieces 10 gram. Same like 5 pieces 10 gram, 7 pieces 10 gram is also at the back side of the your bag. Cut it out and make the different shapes like this. Try to make these shapes. With the help of only triangles, you can make this shape. By using only 2 triangles, you can make square. By using 1, 2, 3 and 5 pieces like this, 1, 2, 3 and 5, you can make this rectangle, and so on. Weaving patterns. Now, what do you mean by a pattern? Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. See, Golo and Binu went to the market with their aunt. They saw many rugs, means daris. See, wow, so many colors, so many shapes. Binu said, circles, triangles, see the patterns. They are talking with each other. These are the patterns on the rugs. Which geometrical shapes can you identify in these borders? Yes, children, can you identify which geometrical shapes here? See, these are of the shape of square, circle, diamond shape. Clear? So draw them in your notebook. Which geometrical shape? Circle, square, diamond. And this is a hexagon. Hexagon is that where there are 6 sides. And you have to draw in your notebook. You can draw in your rough notebook also. See children, there is also triangle is also here. Semicircle is also here. So you can also write down triangle, semicircle, etc. Is any shape repeating in a particular pattern? Which one? Yes, there are number of shapes that are repeating over and over again. See, like triangle, square, and this pattern is also clear. Are the shapes made of curved lines, straight lines, both curved and straight lines? Yes, both curved and straight lines. See, these are the straight lines and these are the curved lines. Look at your clothes, your mother's saris, shawls, rugs and mats. Can you identify some patterns? Draw them in your notebook. Children, you can also see the pattern in the clothes, on the bed sheet, on the shirt, on the mat, etc. Come to the page number 70. Floor patterns. Have you ever seen a floor which has designs? Do you know how these designs are made? These designs are made by covering the floor completely with small tiles that fit into each other without any gaps. For example, look at the shape of this tile and see how it fits. Children, there is one type of tile here and it is fitted in this way, horizontally or vertically, and it looks like this. It makes a pattern. Now look at this tile with 6 sides. and see how this tile of this shape can cover the floor completely without any gap. See the pattern. So there are number of patterns you can see in your daily life. Among the following, can you match the tiles with the designs that they will make on the floor? Draw lines to match. You have to match with this. See, this is a tile. 2 colored and 2 white boxes. You can match this. Which tile is matching? This tile is matching. This shape, again, this is matching with, and this shape is matching with this. See, this is a triangle, and again there is a small triangle in it, and see, this is a triangle and small triangle. When we combine these tiles with each other, then it makes a very beautiful pattern. Now this is, tell me, which tile is this? This is going to this. Oh wait, we have done this. This tile is matched with this, and this is with this. You can also make your own tiles and use them to make your own tiling patterns. You will find some such tiles at the end of the book that you can cut out, trace and color. Children, at the back of this book there are some patterns of these tiles. You can cut these tiles and paste on a card and make many patterns as your requirement. Complete the following tiling pattern. Students, you have to complete this pattern like this. Okay, come to the next page. In the same way, you have to complete this pattern. Khushbu and Haris live in Agra. One day they went to see the Taj Mahal. The floor had the pattern shown below. Khushbu said, I can see 2 different tiles in this pattern. But Haris said, I think only one type of tile has been used. What do you think? Discuss with your friends. Children, here I think there is only one type of tile is used, but it is placed in different ways, horizontally and vertically. So that's why it looks different to the Khushbu. Tiling time. The patterns below are made from the tile. In this pattern, 3 colors have been used to make it look like steps. Here 3 different colors are used and it look like steps. In the same way, here only 2 colors are used. By using 2 colors, it becomes a different pattern of blue and yellow flowers. In the same way, you can use different color combinations to make your own patterns. And this is your homework to complete these patterns. Come to the page number 74. Here there is a treasure hunt. Frankie and Juhi's mummy has hidden a surprise gift for both of them, but she wants them to find out through a treasure hunt. She has written some instructions here. Can you help Juhi and Frankie in finding their gift? Children, here there is a game of treasure hunt, and Frankie and Juhi's mummy has hidden a surprise gift for both of them, and she has given these some of the instructions, and by following these instructions Frankie and Juhi will find the gift. Let's start. Start from the tallest tree. This is the activity time. Treasure hunt is start from the tallest tree. Here this is a tallest tree. Second is go forward on the pathway. In this way you go forward on the pathway. Third, from the 6th tile turn left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6th tile you have to turn left. After moving a few steps, again you will find a plant on your right hand side. After moving a few steps again, you find this plant on your right hand side. color the dress of the child. In this, you have to color the dress of the child playing closer to the plant. Start moving again from the plant. On the fourth tile, turn left again. Start moving. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn left. On the way, you will find the corner of the fourth tile which is broken. 1, 2, 3, 4. This corner is broken. You will find a bat and a ball lying on the ground. Don't pick them, just circle them. You have to just circle it. Move ahead and turn right. Move ahead and turn right. You will find a mango tree. See, you will find this mango tree. A few mangoes can be seen on the tree. Here you find some of the mangoes and you have to color 11 mangoes on the tree. Children, you have to color these 11 mangoes. There are total, I think, 15 mangoes and you have to color these only 11 mangoes. After that, also draw some grass near the mango. You can draw some grass here with green color and start moving again on the pathway. When you go straight, you will find a house. And at the behind that house there is a bag. Open it and you will find something sweet in it. Can you tell what their mother has kept in the bag? Children, this is the game of treasure hunt. Hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.